Hey friends, how's everybody doing? Good. I'm glad. We've got just a few things we're going to do tonight. We have today, tonight, this morning, this evening, whenever you are tuning in. We've already started to tarp the garden down, trying to get the weeds down, and we've blown a bunch of leaves in there, which is going to be good compost once we till it all in. It's going to be great for the garden next year. But right now we're going to try to tackle something for the chickens.
Help me as I pull it, trying to keep it on there.
Okay, Mama. Addie, say hey. Hey.
Tree fell on the kids' trampoline, so we're repurposing the trampoline. Trying to get into something for the chickens.
Yeah, in fact, I've got some footage of the tree and cutting it up, so I'll add it into this video. That is the trampoline canopy. This is the trampoline net, and of course this is all the extra piping around it that didn't get messed up when that tree fell.
It's a little bit crooked.
It's gonna be crooked.
Make sure that camera's not crooked.
Tell me about it.
Yeah, nothing perfect. There's nothing perfect at Nooe Lawn Care Homestead.
This was.
What?
It's not Dad.
Huh?
Yeah.
Are you looking at what you're recording?
This is going to be a good video. It's going to be a good video.
Had a little Hurricane Debbie come through. Well, I say little, but it did a pretty good size damage over here to the house. Now granted, this was kind of my fault. It was a dead tree to begin with, and I should have known, hey man, let's get that thing cut up. But we didn't, and it took out the trampoline. Good morning. I'm sorry, wrong video. No, like she said, we are putting a sunshade up for the chickens with just some old trampoline parts. You saw the trampoline destroyed in that video just a little bit ago. But yeah, tie it off to that side, run it all the way through. This is just kind of like a rough draft. I don't believe that this little bitty string is gonna hold. We'll see.
I think while the kids running out this energy before they go to bed at night, I'm gonna sit here in the garden and enjoy Grandma's bench. There's a video on that. You should go check it out if you haven't already. Yeah. We appreciate you tuning in for this short little video. Not too much excitement going on, but kinda. What's exciting?
Merry Christmas, y'all.
Shh. It's not Christmas time yet. Stop speaking those words. I know you're ready. What do you think, ma'am?
No.
No? Okay. Do you want to tell them bye?
No.
Oh.
Bye.
Say it.
Don't think that my mom did. Oh, you were nice, my mom did. You were too nice.
Yeah, like my mom's videos.
Don't forget to subscribe to my mom's videos. That's what she said she meant to say.